Collaborating on design feedback doesn't need to be complicated. And with SOLIDWORks eDrawings, it isn't. In this 2-minute tech tip, we'll show you how eDrawings simplifies design reviews, even when you're working with people who don't have full CAD access. eDrawings is a lightweight viewer that opens both 2D and 3D models, letting anyone on your team, or even outside it, view and interact with your designs. You can rotate, zoom, measure geometry, explode assemblies, and use markup tools to call out design details without modifying the original CAD file. Instead of lengthy emails or screenshots, feedback happens right in the model. With markup tools, you can sketch directly on the part, add notes, or flag specific areas for review. Comments are saved in the file, making it easy for collaborators to stay on the same page. Let's say you're reviewing a bracket assembly with a vendor, and they open the eDrawing file, flag a potential clearance issue, and leave a note. You review their comment, reply within the file, and make your own markup to highlight the updated geometry or draw attention to a related area. That back and forth stays embedded. No need to juggle email threads or lose track out of context. And eDrawings isn't just for internal teams. You can export your model to HTML, creating browser-based viewer that works on any device. No installation or login needed. Just open the file in a browser and interact with the model. It's a lightweight format too, making it easy to share, even when you're working with larger assemblies or drawings. You can also toggle display states to compare revisions or show alternate configurations, which helps stakeholders visualize design changes side by side. eDrawings is available as a free desktop viewer, and there are mobile apps as well, making it a flexible option whether you're in the office or out on the field. So next time you're sending a model for review, try sharing it as an eDrawing. It's a simple way to review, respond, and keep your design conversations in one place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our full eDrawings course to learn more about viewing options, markup workflows, and sharing files across teams.